How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you've accidentally deleted a message and want to retrieve it, stay tuned. I'll walk you through what you can do to try and get those messages back. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's review the basic methods for recovering deleted messages. Sometimes messages might not be permanently deleted but rather archived. So, here's how to check. First things first, launch the Messenger app. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the conversation or contact. If you find the conversation, it's likely archive. Tap on it to view the messages. Now you can also, if you had email notification enabled for your messages, you might find some content there. Facebook allows you to download your data, which might include old messages. Open the Facebook app, go to the settings, tap on your Facebook information, and here you can find download your information. Here you can find download or transfer information. Simply download it, and after downloading it, you can review the data file for any deleted messages. If the above methods don't work, you can try reaching out to Facebook support for assistance. Keep in mind that once a message is permanently deleted from Messenger, it's generally not recoverable. These methods can help it if the messages are still stored or if they haven't been permanently removed.